way from Kasese in the western part of Uganda to Kampala, the capital city, I was shocked by the beauty of roads I encountered. Surrounded by lush greenery and towering mountains, it became clear to me that Uganda is one of the most beautiful countries in Africa. I stopped by the Photo city to do some shopping, and this city is sparkling clean. It even seemed like a touristic town with many foreigners around.
Guess what? We are in Photo city, western part of Uganda, guys. And personally, this part of Uganda has shocked me because it's very clean. It's very clean and it looks to be a touristic city. Please tell me down there in the comment section whether you did know anything about this part of Uganda. You're saying? Yeah.
On the other side.
On the other side? Okay. And I'm still with my brothers here. Bro, say hi.
Hello.
How did you see this part of Uganda? Photo city.
Bro,
Yeah.
this is a city, man.
This is a city.
This is a man-made city.
Okay. Make sure you hit on that like button, drop a comment down there. And for those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe so that you can grow this YouTube channel. I am actually trying to do some shopping, to buy something here. Yeah. So this is the local market. We're heading to the local market. Just going to see whether I can buy something from this market. Yeah. Yes.
Then what you want and look around for you. So that's what you want. If you don't know your language.
Our first purchase bananas here. And the market looks actually like the other local markets in Africa. There are no big differences. Other friends are here just trying to tour around the market. Today I am having matoke, posho, peanuts, potatoes, sweet potatoes.
Into other business.
This is meat, pumpkin, we've got meat, rice.
But
And
so
that's
he doesn't know where we are,
my
right?
friend is gonna have today.
So you must let me go look for him,
Yeah.
That's what Giovanni is gonna have today.
Yeah. I'm having rice, G-nuts, posho, the sweet potato, and the omunige. And a huge meat right here. Beef.
This is
very
huge.
huge.
It's huge.
Yeah.
Enjoy, bro.
Yeah. Thank you. So we're in Photo City now, and those are my guys. And yeah, me right here. Sirak, you can say something. There's my guy. He's happily tolling Fort Potter. And I have my guys here. What's good? Yeah. So yeah, and this is a a quite clean city compared to Kampala. But yeah, it's a good city with a lot of tourist attractions. It's actually the tourism city of Uganda. We just stopped by to buy some food at the restaurant, which is pretty cheap, like 4,000, which is something I like 4,000 Uganda, which is something I couldn't imagine in Kigali or anywhere. So, and that is our car that drove us. So, yep.
As we leave Port Photo City and continue our journey to Kampala, I am captivated by Uganda's stunning landscapes. Before visiting Uganda, I had heard so many things. Rumors that the roads were unpaved, that the streets were dirty, and that I wouldn't find much infrastructure. But arriving here, I was in for a surprise. The roads are clean and well maintained with smooth tarmac and traffic lights guiding the way. Of course, not every road is in perfect condition, but it makes me wonder why doesn't the media show this beautiful part of Uganda. My experience here proves that what we hear isn't always the reality. Enjoy the stunning visuals of Ugandan roads surrounded by lush greenery, and please remember to give a video a like, drop a comment down there telling me how you've seen this part of Uganda.
have enjoyed watching the video, make sure you hit on that like button. Tell me down there in the comment section what you think about this. If you have not yet subscribed,
please subscribe.
Yes.
There is a lot more to come.
Yeah.
There's a lot of places to take you guys to.
Yeah.
So please don't miss this thing out. Subscribe.
Ciao.